Kanha Math classes for 12 Math under CBSE board concerning to NCERT pattern. In continuation to previous video, I will try to find out the integral of the next question under the same exercise, that is exercise 7.6, question number 16. Integral I is equal to Ex sin Ex plus cos X into dx. I will try to draw your attention about the some trick and peculiarity of the integral in solving. That if we see here Ex sin X and the d dx of sin X is cos X, if such function exists, it's very quite easy to find out the integration in shortcut method. Hence, I appeal you all concerned that you must see and must watch, must inspect the video till last. Now, in this connection, I will try to integrate the question and bifurcate into two integrals, that is Ex sin Ex dx plus Ex cos X dx. Ex cos X dx. Here we will find the integral such that Ex sin X dx, and now we will integrate this function, that is Ex cos X dx. Now first function into integral of second, that is sin X minus integral of differential coefficient of first, that is Ex, and integral of second, that is sin X dx. If you observe this step very minutely, you will be astonished to know that you have got already the exact solution of this, because this is cut by this, and the remaining will be the requisite answer, that is I is equal to Ex sin X plus C. This will be the requisite answer of the integral. Now, in the connection of previous question, we will try to integrate the next question, that is question number 17, that is I is equal to X Ex upon 1 plus X whole square dx. Here we will also use this another trick, and that we have to do a simple trick in order to bifurcate this integral into the sum of two integrals, that is X plus 1 minus 1 Ex upon 1 plus X whole square dx. Now this is X plus 1 Ex upon 1 plus X whole square dx. We have chosen this upon this, and minus Ex upon 1 plus X whole square dx. Here we have bifurcated this integral into sum of the difference of the two integral, that is integral X plus 1 Ex upon 1 plus X square whole square dx minus Ex upon 1 plus X whole square dx. Here we observe that X plus 1 is cut by this, and this become only Ex upon 1 plus X dx minus Ex upon 1 plus x whole square into dx. Like the previous question, that is question number 17, we will keep this first integral untouched, that is Ex upon 1 plus x dx, and here using first function as Ex into integral of second function, that is 1 upon 1 plus x whole square or 1 plus x minus 2, then this will be equal to 1 plus x minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 1. First function integral of second minus integral of differential of first, that is Ex into integral of this means that this, here we just observe Ex upon 1 plus x whole square dx. Here we have chosen Ex as the first function and the second function is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now the first function into integral of second function, that is 1 upon 1 plus x square, this much, minus differential of the first into integral of this minus here 1 upon 1 plus x dx. Integral Ex 1 plus x dx minus and this minus will become plus Ex upon 1 plus x. This become 1 plus x minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus x minus 1 means 1 upon 1 plus x, and this minus into minus means plus Ex upon 1 plus x, and this is minus minus plus, and this minus will keep this like this, Ex upon 1 plus x dx. Very clearly this is nullified by this, and the requisite answer, that is integral of the question number 17, will be equal to Ex upon 1 plus x plus c. This is the requisite answer. In the continuation of previous question number 17, we will try to find out the integral of question number 18 under same exercise. I is equal to Ex within the bracket 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Here also we will use the same method and bifurcate the integral into two parts, that is Ex 1 upon 1 plus cos x dx plus Ex sin x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Here we will try to use Ex 1 upon 1 plus cos x will be solved in the manner such that 1 and cos x will be 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. One upon 1 plus cos x is solved by 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. and you will cancel plus 1 by minus 1 dx plus ex sin x upon 1 plus cos x dx means sin x means 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 and 1 plus cos x like this 1 plus 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Here 1 by 2 taking common, this will be ex 1 upon cos square x by 2 means sec square x by 2 dx, and here this will be cancelled by this, 2 will be cancelled by this, and cos x will be cancelled by this, this will remain tan x by 2 ex tan x by 2 dx. Now this is 1 by 2 ex into sec square x by 2 dx, and here we will try to integrate this function, and in this we will take ex as a first function, then first function into integral of I may integrate this function as taking tan x by 2 as first function and ex is by second function. Then the first function tan x by 2 into integral of second function means ex will be ex minus integral of differential of first function tan x by 2, differential of tan x by 2 will be equal to sec square x by 2 into 1 by 2 into integral of second, that is ex dx. Here we must observe that ex tan x by 2 we will treat tan x by 2 as first function. First function into integral of second function means ex minus integral of differential of first tan x by 2 d dx of tan x by 2 will become sec square x by 2 into 1 by 2, and integral of second function means ex, it will be ex dx. Now this is 1 by 2 ex sec square x by 2 dx, and this is ex tan x by 2, and here minus 1 by 2 integral ex into sec square x by 2 dx. Very obviously, if you inspect very mentally, this first portion of the integral will be nullified by this, and the remaining will be the ex tan x by 2 plus c will be the requisite answer of this integral, that is integral under question number 18. Thank you for watching the video. Please share, like and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.